Okay, here's an example of using the distributive property to multiply a 2-digit number by another 2-digit number. So I'm going to do 23 times 12 for you. And I'm going to break these numbers up apart by tens and ones. So there's 3 in the ones place, 2 tens is 20. There's a 2 in the ones place, 2, and 1 in the tens, which is 10. And then I'm going to rewrite the problem with parentheses. 20 plus 3 is representing 23 times 10 plus 2, which represents my 12. Now I need to write out 4 different multiplication problems to figure this out. I'm going to first write my first numbers that are in both parentheses. So it's in the tens place. 20 times 10 is my first problem. The next one I'm going to do is 20 times this ones place. 20 times, in the ones place on this number, it's a 2. Now I'm going to move to my 3 that's in this 23. 3 times 10. And then last, 3 times 2. And now I need to go back in and do all these multiplication problems. I'm going to start at the bottom with our basic fact. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 10 is 30. 20 times 2 is 40. And 20 times 10 is 200. If you didn't know 20 times 10, you could have done your zeros trick, covered up both those zeros. 2 times 1 is 2, and then you need to add those 2 zeros. Same with 20 times 2, you could have done that. Once you get all 4 products, then you need to add them together. 200 plus 40 plus 30 plus 6. Okay, and you're going to get 276. So the answer is 276 up here. Okay. I'll do one more example. Okay, we'll do 45 times 16. So I'm going to break these numbers up into tens and ones. Okay, so 6 ones, 1 group of 10, 5 ones, and 4 groups of 10 is 40. Now I need to rewrite the problem using parentheses. So I've got 40 plus 5 is going to represent that 45 times, parentheses, 10 plus 6 is representing 16. Now I'm going to take both my tens place and make a multiplication problem with them. 40 is in the tens place here. 10 is in that tens place. 40 times 10. Now I'm going to take that 40 in that tens place and multiply it by the ones place there. So 40 times 6. Now I'll move to my ones place in 45, which is 5. 5 times 10. And then I'm going to go to the ones place in both, 5 and 6. So I'm going to do 5 times 6. Okay. 40 times 10 is 400. 40 times 6 is 240. 5 times 10, 50. 5 times 6, 30. And then you're going to add those all up together. 240, 50, and 30. And you're going to get 720 as your answer.